need to hear this if you're a health enthusiast. This spiced water recipe is your new best friend for heart health. Hey everyone! Today we're making a game-changing spiced water that's easy and powerful. All you need are 3 ingredients: water, cinnamon, and ginger. These spices are heart health champions. Start by boiling a liter of water. Add a cinnamon stick and a few slices of fresh ginger. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Cool it down and drink it throughout the day. Cinnamon helps reduce bad cholesterol and keeps your arteries clear. Ginger improves blood flow and reduces inflammation. Together, they make your heart happy and healthy. So swap your regular water for this spiced water. It's refreshing and super beneficial. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Cheers to a healthier heart. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy health tips. Stay heart healthy, everyone.